Are you heading right up, Mason?
I'm up, yep. Just chasing the side-by-side.
Yeah, I see that. It'll just spin now, Mike, so get ready.
Because the vines are closed.
I heard that. It sounded like you were digging trenches.
It was.
Oh, did you do that thing too where you shut it off with a clutch?
Yeah.
That's cool.
Hey, I sometimes like to do that. There's been some activity on this road.
Yeah, I would say we're going to meet quads today.
What the hell, grader? What's been down here?
It actually looks like it, doesn't it?
Yeah. Something's dragged through here.
Either that or someone's... No, it's cut on the shoulder, so it had to be a grader or something.
Had to be a
I thought that was a
grader, yeah.
lawn tractor coming.
Whoops. Don't step on the gear shift.
Gotta watch. They may have, depending on how graded, it doesn't look overly graded. It's just like someone's just dragged a bucket or something. But they may have pushed slop in the holes.
It must have been like just a tractor bucket, like you said, or...
Has to be.
Probably a tractor.
Because a grader would thoroughly cut these holes out.
Yeah. All they've done is made a frickin' mess.
Was this smoother through here?
Oh.
What it is now?
Slimy. I didn't think we'd be doing this today.
No. I don't know what they've done to this road.
They've made it muddy, that's what they've done.
Holy shit,
You know what?
guys.
I wonder if someone logged in here and then they had to fix the road, so they back dragged it out.
Well, I'm sorry, I didn't expect this. Usually it's all gravelly, a little bit of wet. I've never seen this road in this condition.
No, not muddy.
No. This has never been muddy.
Benham, if you want to go ahead.
No, I'm not on you.
Okay. I always like to get footage of you dumping it in this water hole.
Well, if everybody stays up on this shit, we'll be doing really well. Ooh.
Yeah, it's like they pulled topsoil onto it or something.
I don't know. I don't think it's going to end. There's something up here. Well, guys, they'll need baths.
Yeah.
Is this the water?
Okay?
It was up here a little bit yet. But
Where
This
I dumped
isn't,
it?
no, this isn't where you dumped it, but we are getting there.
I'm good.
I think he's going through the one you dumped it in. Remember to stay right on that one. It's this one, Mike. Stay right. Oh, although I did hit something in there too. guys okay?
So far. You heading right up, Mason?
I'm up, yeah. Just chasing the side by side.
Yeah, I see that.
Busy up here, guys.
Is it?
Yeah. We got trucks full of people, and
Really?
you still coming?
Yeah, I'm almost to the top here.
Okay.
I don't
There's
know
a
where
truck here that's trying to find his way.
I don't know where Benham is, but right behind you.
We got
Oh,
a bottleneck of about 15
The
quads now.
What the hell is going on here?
the hike in there would be pretty awesome with the
Oh, with the colors.
right now. Yeah.
Some boys. Still got all my cameras. It's a good start.
Even threw a shift in halfway up the hill just for good measure that
There you
time.
go.
Yeah.
Nicely done.
I'm just gonna change my riding mode, that's all. Only take 1 second here.
Yeah.
I can do it wherever here. Done.
That was quick. You all right there, B?
Oh, yours throws gravel too.
I know.
I think we've lost him.
Oh, he's right. Well, maybe he calms. He's right in between us here.
I can
Yeah,
hear you,
I don't hear
but
him,
you
though.
can't hear me. You hear me?
Just threw about 2 yards of gravel in the air there. So.
Truck. Good.
I'm more concerned with the four-wheelers.
We do have to watch we don't meet a bunch, right?
Well, that shower looks like when I twist my throttle. Wow. Someone's graded this too.
Yeah. It's hard to watch what they've done to the road and keep your chin up for the oncoming. The old eyes are moving 1,000 miles an hour. KLR is running awesome today. Clear.
I can hear you.
You can hear me?
Yeah.
Can you hear him?
Yeah.
He can hear us, but we can't hear him. So his mic
You can
must,
hear us?
Yeah.
his mic must have disconnected or something.
Well, I think that's a big part of. Here, let's pull up over here. I've been saying your mic's been bad for a long time.
I just been saying Mike's been bad, but
Yeah, well,
whatever.
that's it, right?
It's a good thing we didn't have a big long chat about Mike there for a minute.
Isn't that the truth? Yeah. Benham, he's such a. Oh, good, he's off comms. It's so much quieter when he's not there.
So much easier.
I really enjoyed that. That was a good run. I had a good run through there.
I was enjoying listening to how much roost I was putting up, though, because you can look at the video. He earned it.
Oh man, it's like dump truck comes flying in the air.
Hey guys, if you liked that video, hit the thumbs up button for us. It goes a long way towards helping out the channel. And if you're new here, hit that subscribe button in the upper corner for new videos every Sunday. Be glad to have you along for the ride.
Free